Hey, this is Danielle, and today I'm going to show you how to make some custom roasting sticks using your laser engraving machine. Okay, so today I'm trying to engrave these marshmallow sticks. I am doing two different birthday parties. My one son's having a sleepover, outdoor camping sleepover, and the second son's going to have a s'mores party. That's what he wanted. So this is what we're doing. We're engraving them. We've got each to set to 50, 130 speed, 2 passes, and 100 lines per centimeter. I've got them set up in here, so they are being held with these little metal pieces. I'm hoping this will work. If not, we'll fix it. So I'm going to do this first one. It's at 19 size font. I'm going to see if it's a little too big. If it kind of wraps around too much, it won't come out as well. So that's why you have the rotary items. But in this case, I didn't want to pull that out, and I think it's unnecessary. But I may change the font size. I'm hoping it all fits on here properly. It looks like it's coming out fine though, and it's actually going really fast. So this might work perfectly. Man, this is going to be awesome. I love this. Look how fast that is. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, in the next one I'm probably going to move it down a little bit. So it's not right up against it. I think I made a mistake there, but man, it looks good. And that's only one pass, I think, unless the 2 passes are right together. I'm not sure. Wow. Yep, that worked. So just to do one of these, it's been less than a minute. I'm pretty sure it'll be completely finished in a minute or so. So I'll be able to do the other ones right afterwards. So this will be a favor the kids can take home. Okay, so we've got all of our names here. So you can see we've got all of our kiddos. I'm going to probably just wipe these down and then throw some sealant on just the wood piece. We don't want it on the cooking stuff, of course, because they'll be cooking with it. So I may actually tape it off so it doesn't get on there. But yeah, that's all there is to it. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out my blog, DIYDanielle.com, for more ideas. Take care. Bye.